Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to get old WordPress editor. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmake it. So first of all, let's go to post and I'm clicking on edit this post. And as you can see, this is block editor, the newest version from WordPress. So we are going to change this block editor to classic editor. So for that, open your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins, add new, and this is the plugin we are going to install. If you can't find this here, you can search it here. So after getting this plugin, click on install now, activate. So here's the plugin, we just download it and activate it. Then click on settings and default editor for all users. Block editor is the new editor from WordPress, and we are going to change this, and classic editor means the classic editor. So select this one from here and allow users to switch editors. Select yes from here, so you can switch between these editors. Then scroll down and click save changes. And now if I open my post, and here we can see here's total 2 options to edit this post. One is block editor. Block editor means the new version of editor, and here is the option classic editor. So I'm clicking on classic editor, and here we can see now we can edit our post in classic editor. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to unmake it. Thanks for watching this video.